Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video where I will be answering all your assumptions about me because I had put up this story this morning on Instagram and I had received a lot of assumptions about me. So let's see what they are. So the first one that I have right here is that you are a private person. So for all the people who have known me over the past years, they know that I was a very extrovert person and it was very easy for me to make friends. It was very easy for me to share my life with people. And for a fact, I'm an influencer, so my entire life is on social media. But with time, I realized that I don't really need to put out each and everything. And looking at today's time, I just feel that, it's not safe to put out a lot of information about yourself out there. That's that. And when it comes to people, of late, I have a lot of trust issues with the new people I meet that can just be, related to everything that I have gone through in the past few years with friendships and everything. I've already talked about this in the previous video. So to answer your assumption, no, I'm not a private person. I just happen to simply choose what I put out there and what I tell people about me. Yes, for the people who know me personally and who know me very well, who've known me since the past so many years, जिनके साथ मैं already इतनी ज़्यादा comfortable हूँ, I would obviously go and tell them everything because obviously the girls gotta talk, right? I am not a private person when it comes to my people, but yeah, I just choose to not show everything or not to tell people everything that's been happening in my life because I also believe in Nazar. So the next thing that I have is you wish to be an actress. Fun fact, yes, I wished to be an actress when I was in school. Up until I don't know, I think ninth or 10th grade, I really wanted to be an actress. And I don't know, I think you grow with time, you realize, you see things and everything. And I just realized that acting is not my thing. Yes, I love being in front of the camera. I love talking to people. I love acting. I am a drama queen. I wanted to be an actress, yes, but do I still want to be an actress? No, I'm very happy with what I'm doing and I want to excel in what I'm doing right now. I think being an actress is out of the charts right now. But yeah, if I do get an opportunity in the future and if I find it good, I would take it up. I mean, why not? It was a dream for me at one point in my life. And if I do get an opportunity, I would definitely take it up. So the next is you say yes too often. Oh my god. This is something that I just don't put out there, but still, you guys know this. I mean, this is really crazy. Yes, I do actually have the habit of saying yes too often. I am usually okay with everything, like, anything and everything for that fact. And I just usually tend to see the comfort of the people who are with me. जैसे अगर किसी को कुछ चीज़ करनी है तो आई विल बी लाइक हाँ ठीक है चलो कर लेते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई डोंट हैव माई ओपिनियंस ऑन एनीथिंग. अगर मुझे कुछ चीज़ नहीं करनी है मैं साफ मना कर देती हूँ. जो मैं पहले नहीं कर पाती थी अब मैं कर देती हूँ. बट स्टिल मेजोरिटी ऑफ द टाइम्स आई वुड एक्चुअली अग्री दैट येस आई डू से येस टू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I think that's just my nature. So, yes, that assumption is true. So, the next is you don't hate anybody. I think hate is a very negative word. Hate is a very strong word for that fact. Uh, I don't hate anybody because I think जहाँ पे hate word आ जाता है वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा disrespect आ जाती है and disrespecting is something that I've never done. मैं जो चीज़ करती नहीं हूँ मैं वो चीज़ सहती भी नहीं हूँ. So yeah, I don't think that I hate anybody. It's just that अगर मेरे साथ कोई कुछ बुरा करता है, okay, so let's get this clear. I am the kind of person who will do so much for you if I love you, right? And it can be anything, it can be any kind of relationship for me, right? So if I am betrayed in any way or if I am disrespected in any way, I would just distance myself from you and slowly and gradually you are just not going to exist for me anymore. It's not like I'm going to start hating you. It's just that you are just going to be non existent. It's as simple as that. So, yeah, I don't think that I hate anybody, and I don't think I ever will hate anybody. So, yes, I think the assumption is right that you don't hate anybody. So, bang on. Okay, so I really like this next one, and I have like two sides to it. So it says you always make efforts in friendships. So I feel that any friendship without any efforts is just baseless and meaningless. I just feel that एफर्ट्स लगाने हर चीज में बहुत जरूरी है, चाहे वो फ्रेंडशिप हो, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, राइट? और अगर सिर्फ आप ही आप लगाते रहो ना एफर्ट्स, सो इट जस्ट एक कहीं ना कहीं वो एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आएगा. एंड आई हैव been there, like been there, done that. There are a few friendships in my life where I put in a lot of efforts, and I'm very grateful for the people in my life who put in efforts for me. So I think I have a balance of both. I think I'm just very neutral there. So yeah. So the next is you are a private person. मैं I think इसका partially already answer दे चुकी हूँ इस पे. So yeah, I don't think I need to answer that. Oh, I really like this one. It says, you are high maintenance. What makes you think I'm high maintenance? I mean, you just probably don't know me if you're saying this. And for the people who actually know me, they know I'm not high maintenance. It's just that I like spending on myself. I like spending on the people I love. अगर आप ही मेरे luxury purchases या ये सब देख के अगर बोल रहे हो, so I don't think you should judge me on the basis of these things, because I have earned them. I have worked really, really hard to earn them. If I am spending on myself, it's because I am spending on myself. No one else is spending on me. So I would be called high maintenance if I was asking someone else to pay for me. And I firmly believe that, if I am working hard, I like to treat myself with the things that, I really want. कि मेरे कुछ अगर desires है मैं उनको पूरा कर पाऊँ. And I'm very grateful for that. And I'm very proud of myself for actually achieving what I want, for buying whatever I can. अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है that, I can afford it, I go for it because I know I've earned it and I've worked hard to earn it. So yeah. So the next one is you don't get mad at people. Of course I do. What kind of an assumption is that? Of course I get mad at people. If अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आता, I do get mad at people. I'm human at the end of the day. I'm not a robot. आपको भी गुस्सा आता होगा लोगों पे. I'm sure आपको ड्राइव करते हुए साइड वाले बंदे पे गुस्सा आ रहा हो, किसी बाइक वाले पे गुस्सा आ रहा हो, आपका दिन अच्छा नहीं है, आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है. I mean, you it's just a very, I mean, I don't know what to say. Of course I get mad at people. What kind of an assumption is this? Okay, so the next assumption is that you are always happy. No one can be always happy. There are phases, there are things that happen with everyone every day. All the days are not same. Um, and of course, I try to be happy in every situation, but obviously that's not the case. Again, I am a human being, I'm not a robot. So it's just that I don't choose to show that online, चाहे वो Instagram पे हो, चाहे वो YouTube पे हो, चाहे वो Shorts पे हो, कहीं पे भी हो. It's just that I don't see any point of spreading a lot of negativity. There's already a lot of negativity online. मुझे उस पे add up नहीं करना है. So I just try and नॉट शो एनीथिंग. अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा हो या अगर मैंने ऑनलाइन कुछ ऐसा देख लिया हो तो मैं शायद रिपोस्ट कर दूंगी उस चीज को, बट आई विल नेवर come online and tell you guys, oh I'm sad, oh मेरे को बुरा लग रहा है, oh मुझे ये है, मुझे वो है. I am not that cranky person on Instagram जो आके सिर्फ रैंट करते हैं. मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन probably you think that I'm always happy. Of course, I mean, I try to be happy, but I cannot be happy always, and that's a fact of life. So I think that's fine, that's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick the last two. It says you're an overthinker. I am not actually an overthinker, but आई एम वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. मतलब अगर कोई सिचुएशन मेरे सामने है या मुझे कुछ चीज समझ नहीं आ रही है, आई ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ इट इन अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल नोट. मैं कोई भी डिसीजन लेती हूँ, इट्स वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. मैं कोई भी चीज करती हूँ, आई ट्राई टू बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम एन ओवर थिंकर. मैं हर चीज को ज्यादा नहीं सोचती. अगर कुछ चीज हो गई तो मैं उसको ऐसे रफा दफा करती हूँ कि ठीक है, हो गई ना, खत्म हो गई, बात खत्म करो. मतलब मैं उस चीज को लिंगर ऑन करके नहीं रखूंगी अपने दिमाग में या अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में कि मैं उसी के बारे में सोच रही हूँ, उसी उसी चीज से हर चीज को कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसे नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक दैट्स द पैटर्न ऑफ एन ओवर थिंकर. मैं ओवर थिंकर नहीं हूँ फॉर श्योर. But yes, I am a very practical person, and that really helps me take a lot of decisions in a very smooth way. So I think I like it that way too. And the last one that I'm taking right now is that you have big dreams. Of course, I have big dreams. Everybody has big dreams. And I'm really happy with the fact that my dreams are getting bigger and bigger every day. No, Nazar, please. But yes, I am dreaming of bigger things with every passing day, with every passing month. But again, only because I am working hard for it. I am trying my best to give myself the lifestyle, to give my loved ones the lifestyle or the things that I want to give them. And, I mean, it's just a very different feeling. And you're able to do what you want to do and you don't have to depend on anybody for that. So, yeah, I wish to dream big every day. And I wish that you dream big every day so that we can achieve everything together. So yeah, I think this was the end of the video. I really hope that you liked it. अगर आपके पास मेरे लिए और कोई assumption है, I would love to read them, and I would really love to make another video on this. You can just drop your assumptions in the comments below. And thank you so much for showing a lot of love to my videos always. And I love you. See you.